Jacob, founder and CEO of Hermetica. We are building a Bitcoin-backed yield-bearing synthetic dollar that is about to go live on the Stacks and the Runes protocol. So let me walk you through it, how it works. We accomplish a Bitcoin-backed yield-bearing synthetic dollar by pairing a long Bitcoin position with a short perpetual futures position. This locks in the dollar value of Bitcoin, creating a synthetic USD that we represent on-chain as USDH. USDH is fully Bitcoin backed, meaning every USDH can be redeemed for $1 worth of Bitcoin. You can think of it as Bitcoin without price exposure, Bitcoin hedged, USDH. USDH is also completely outside of the banking system, meaning our protocol doesn't touch any fiat rails. We don't hold dollars in a bank account or treasuries in a brokerage account. It's Bitcoin all the way down. And there's a yield-bearing element to what we're doing. Let me explain how the yield is generated. There's a structural demand for long leverage in the crypto markets. So users, market participants, pay for the privilege to go long. And since our protocol is short the perpetual futures markets, we're able to harvest this yield from funding rates and pass it on to users. On average, the yield is around 12%. It fluctuates with the demand for long leverage in the system. It can go up to 25, 26%. That's what we saw in the last bull market. And it can go down in the bear market when demand for long leverage also goes down. You see here the historical chart of the 30-day annualized returns for this strategy. As I mentioned, we pass this yield on to users that stake their stablecoin and receive a liquid staking token, SUSDH. You can think of SUSDH as a Bitcoin-backed internet-native bond. This token accrues automatically the rewards, the yield from the funding rates. So if you just hold it over time, you get the 12% annualized from the funding rates. We're about to go live, and I'll give you a sneak peek into how the UI will look. If you want to access USDH, you can come to our protocol and you can exchange any Stacks asset for USDH. And then if you want to access the yield, you can head over to the staking tab and decide what amount you want to put into SUSDH, and you will get SUSDH immediately and start earning yield. In just a couple short weeks, we'll be live. So if you want to be among the first ones to use the protocol, stay on top of what we're developing, we're sending out weekly updates. You can head over to hermetica.fi, you can put in your email, and we'll be in touch. There's also a special role in our protocol that is the minter role. A minter has the privilege to create USDH as well as redeem USDH for Bitcoin. If you're interested in this role that will come with significant perks, rewards in our point system, you can head over to minter.hermetica.fi, put in your application, and we'll be in touch. Thanks so much.